Hi, YouTube viewers. Me, Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. Today our topic is computer arithmetic in the bisection method. How to asking a question in this one? See, find the roots of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equals to 0 using the bisection method correct to 3 decimal places. So, how to solve? Correct to 3 decimal places, we want to solution. See, how to take f of x equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like. See here and so on means here not taking the up to end. When we get that negative number after positive number, that when we get the two numbers, negative number after positive number, the two numbers are lies between our roots. Okay, say observe this. First 0 you take it, f of 0 equals to 0 cube minus 4 into 0 minus 9. That equals to 0 cube is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0. This is minus 9. It is less than 0. Now you go to next one. F of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 minus 9 equals to what we get. See, 1 cube is 1 minus 4 minus 9. So that equals to 1 minus 30. This is minus 12. It is also less than 0. So next we can take it f of 2. F of 2 equals to 2 into, that is what? X plus 2. 2 cube minus 4 into 2 minus 9. So that equals to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 minus 8. This is minus 9. So we get minus 9. Minus 9 is less than 0. So next f of 3. F of 3 equals to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 9. That equals to, that is 27 minus 12 minus 9. That equals to 27 minus 21. That equals to 6. It is greater than 0. It is less than 0. It is greater than 0. So roots are lie between 2 and 3. Lie between 2 and 3. See, observe this, friends. Roots are lie between 2 and 3. We want to bisection formula. Bisection formula xn equals to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 divided by 2. This is the bisection formula. Now we can apply this formula, which are that one, saying this is x naught equals to 2 comma x1 equals to 3. Now you can apply. This is x naught equals to 2, x1 equals to 3. Now x2 we want, n equals to 2. So x2 equals to what we get. See, this is x2 minus 1 plus x2 minus 2 divided by 2. x2 equals to x2 minus 1, that is x1 plus x0 by 2. So now here x2 equals to x1. What is the x1? 3. 3 plus What is the x naught? That is 2. 2 by 2. Now that equals to 5 by 2. That equals to 2.5. So x2 value is 2.5. So now you apply the x2 value. So x2 is greater than 0. x2 is greater than 0. So now f of 2.5. f of 2.5. Do this. It's nothing problem. This is f of 2.5, that is greater than 0. So f of 2.5. We can apply, that equals to what we get. See now. That is positive sign coming or negative sign coming. That is important here now. So this is 2.5 whole cube minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9. That equals to what we get now, 2.5 whole cube. 2.5 whole cube. What is that? 2.5 whole cube. See. 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. That value is 15.625. 15.625 minus 4 into 2.5, that is 10, minus 9. That equals to 15.625 minus 19. That equals to, go to subtraction this one, 19, 15.625. So here 19.000. So 5, here 9, 9 to 7, 9, that is 3. This is 8, 853. So 3.375. So this is negative, big number is negative, so this negative sign getting, so it is less than 0. So when we get the less than 0, then the roots are lie between 2.5 and 3. See, here observe the main point. When we get that, here what we get that this value 2.5 you substitute in this x place, we get that negative value. Negative value, when we get negative value, roots are lie between this point, x2 point, and x2 above next point is, that is this one, 3 value. So here 2 above 3. Okay, this one is 2.5 here we get. Then after number, that is 3 here. So 2.5 after number 3. So roots are lie between 2.5 and 3. Suppose positive value we get. So now 2.5 between the number 2. That time when here positive sign getting, that time. See, observe that now 2.5 and 3. So 2.5 and 3. See now, already we know that x2 equals to 2.5 and x1 is, and the points already I wrote that one. Okay, right. Now x2 is 2.5. Next formula you can use directly. Okay, what x2 complete? Now x3. x3 is that sum by 2. 2.5 plus 3 by 2. That equals to, this is 5.5 by 2. This is 2 2 ja 4, 1 carrying point, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. Now that is the x3 value. Now substitute in this place. F of 2.75 equals to 2.75 whole cube minus 4 into 2.75 minus 9. That equals to 2.75 whole cube. 2.75 whole cube is 20.797 minus Okay, now go to multiplication. 4 into 5, 20. 4 7 is 28. 28 30. 3 carrying. 4 2 is 8. 11. 11 value. So this value is 11 minus 9. So that equals to 20.797 minus 20. So go to subtraction. This one positive sign getting. This is greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. So now roots are lie between positive sign. Then we know that positive sign when we get this value before the value. 2.75 before the value, what we get? 2.5. So roots are lie between 2.5 and 2.75. 2.5 and 2.75. Now x4 value, how to find out? See now. Here up to 3 decimal places we want. Here we get up to 2 decimal places. See, x4 value. x4 equals to 2.5 plus 2.75 by 2. That equals to 2.5. Here go to calculation this one. 2.5, 2.75. So adding this 0, 0.55 is 12. This is 5. 5.25. 5.25 by 2. Go to simplification this one. 2 2 ja 4 point, that is 6. 2 2 ja 5. 2 5 ja. So x4 equals to 2.625. Now you substitute in this place f of 2.625 equals to 2.625 whole cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9. That equals to 2.625 18.087 minus 4 5 is 20, 4 2 is 8, 10, 4 is 24, 25 point, 4 2 is 8, 10, 10.5. Okay, so that value is 10.5. 10.5 minus 9. Then calculate this one. 18.087 minus 19.5. So now go to calculation. This is negative value we get here. So it is less than 0. Negative value. So this is a big number. Big number having negative sign. So negative value we get. Now roots are lie between this 2.625 above number. 2.625 above number is what? 2.75. 2.625 and 2.75. So up to 3 decimal places. Okay. Thank you, friends.